Go get Parker. She is beat. Look, she couldn't even hardly walk.
You gonna go give Ruby a kiss? You gonna give Ruby a kiss? You gonna give her a hug?
He is too cute with her. Puppies and kids are like the cutest combination. You like Parker, don't you?
You gonna go pet her?
You give her some love. Did you hold her yet? You want to hold her? You can hold her. Do you want to?
You wanna go hold the doggy? Here, go hold the doggy.
Here. Put your arms out. You're not so sure, are you? You want to try it? Come here. Hold her.
Put your arms out.
No?